Hello, boys and girls. Hi. This is Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Thanks for coming back to the channel. How you guys doing? Good, I hope. Here we are on another glorious Saturday, or whenever this is. Beautiful sunny day out. Not so hot. It's been absolutely blistering hot this past week. It's been insanely hot. Well, actually, past few weeks, it's been blistering hot here in North Carolina. So there hasn't been much riding for that reason. It's just been so freaking hot. But as you saw in the last video, I got Sugar back and she's all checked out. She's all good. I haven't ridden the Sportster in ages, and that's just because it's been hot and been doing stuff. But the plan today, if you want to call it a plan, is to get the, I have to re-register the Sportster. So the plan today is to get it registered. I mean, inspected. I have to get it inspected. And that whole process takes 5 minutes, I guess. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what, and then we'll take it from there. But I just wanted to get out on the Sportster. It's been a while. It's gonna be a short ride. Meow. Well, there's something you don't see all the time. That's a Rivian across the street. Electric pickup truck. That's what was used on the Long Way Up that Charlie Borman and Ewan McGregor did. They're nice, but they're just really expensive. So it's less than 2 weeks until departure from my Sturgis trip. I was asked the other day if I'm getting excited, and I'm like, I don't know. I guess I am. You know, it's the first time I've ever been there, so, and it's a long trip. I mean, still in my mind, I'm just going through everything I need to do and have to do between now and then to make sure that I'm all set and make sure I got everything I need, because, you know, once I'm out there, if I don't have it, tough crap. If I forget something and I'm in the middle of freaking Tennessee somewhere, or even, you know, the middle of Nebraska, and I forget something, it's like, oh well. But getting back to this inspection thing, I have to do this once a year. But the thing is, I know the Harley dealer, Beach House Harley Davidson, I know they do the inspections and stuff, but I don't know if they're open today. Well, I don't know if they do them today. Now let's see what happens.
12 seconds later.
All right, so as it turns out, they can't do it today. Best they can do it is on Tuesday, and I wanted to have it done on Monday, so, or today. So it'll have to wait. So I'll have to go to the local place right around the corner from me and have them do it. Let's go see if they can do it now.
A few moments later.
Closed. Motorcycle inspection's done here. 8:30 to 5. All right, so not getting done today. You know, I should have brought the drone with me. Dumbass. Now, as far as it goes for Sturgis, here's something interesting that may or may not happen. It all depends upon the timing of everything. On Saturday, August 5th, now the rally really starts a couple days prior to that. 4th, I think, is the official kickoff. The thing is, I won't be there on the 4th. I won't get there until the 5th. But at the Buffalo Chip, at the Big Engine Bar, they have the Creators Hangout. Now, this is for content creators, where you can hang out, and this is where you can meet your favorites, okay? So, Adam Sandoval is going to be there. Jess from Her Two Wheels is going to be there. And a bunch of other YouTubers and, I suppose, podcasters are going to be there as well. But I am planning on, the plan is for me to be there. It starts at 2 o'clock, from 2 to 4, at the Big Engine Bar up at the Buffalo Chip. And I plan on getting there. Now the thing is, I can't check into my room in Rapid City until 1. So what the plan is, arrive at the place, drop my bags off the bike, get everything off the bike, and then ride up to the Buffalo Chip from Rapid City and be there hopefully in time for the Creators Hangout. That is the plan. I don't know if I'll be able to make it. It depends upon a lot of things, so we'll see. For all I know, what may end up happening is, because of timing, I may end up just go from my hotel the night before and just go directly to the Buffalo Chip. I might just go there, so I'll be all road worn, etc. We'll see. So if you're gonna be in Sturgis, if you're attending the rally this year, two things. Let me know that you're gonna be there. 2, I will keep you posted if I'm going to, if I'm gonna make it to the Creators Hangout. I'll be wearing my Motorcycle Men t-shirt, and I'll have a lanyard with the Motorcycle Men logo on it, so you'll be able to identify me. And people laugh at me because I got that lanyard that has the logo on it, but I've been stopped at the International Motorcycle Show, back when they had it, by people who recognize the logo, and they'd say, "Hey, are you Ted?" I'm like, "There you go." So yeah, it works. I've been recognized at swap meets. So, okay. So if you want to meet me and say hello, try to be there. Otherwise, like I said in the last video, I will be hanging out at Black Hills Harley Davidson with the folks from Wild Ass Seats, and I will be stopping at the Zero booth, Zero 3D, hanging out with them for a little while, and trying to figure out where the Scorpion guys are going to be. I know they're going to be at Black Hills Harley Davidson, but as far as I know, they're going to be actually at some other location, the guys that I deal with. So, but I'll be there. I'll keep you posted. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot. Congratulations to this person here on the screen. They won the Zero 3D Drive Force 40-liter duffel bag. You know what cracks me up? Here's what cracks me up. Maybe people just didn't want a duffel bag. I don't know. But I only had like 23 entries for that. Like, what? 23 entries? 23 people tried to win. 23 people. I just, what? You're giving away free stuff and nobody's trying to, what? I don't get it. I just don't get it. 271 subscribers as of this video. Well, prior to this video. And of those 271, 23 people entered the contest. I don't know. I think the only thing with the Sturgis trip that I'm a little, I don't know if you say concerned about, is the weather. Not so much the weather while I'm there, but the weather going out. Not even the weather coming back. Not really. Not really the weather. I mean, either way, but I think that's my only concern. I don't like riding in the rain, as you know, but I have and I will if I have to. But I don't want to ride in the rain. You know, and I know there's, look, over 4 days of traveling, 4.5 of traveling to get there, there is the very distinct possibility that I'm going to get wet. I totally understand. I totally get it. But I'm kind of hoping that doesn't happen. Now, I have heard horror stories about hailstorms. I hope that doesn't happen. It would be interesting, but I don't really want to go through that. I remember watching one video. I was watching Her Two Wheels, and when she was doing her Jess Goes West series last year, she was riding somewhere in Wyoming and got caught into a hailstorm. Makes for good entertainment for you guys. We'll see. But yeah, that's the only thing that really concerns me, because I just don't feel comfortable riding in the rain. I mean, it's what's worse is if you get caught in the rain out in the middle of freaking nowhere and you don't have like an overpass or something like that you can stop under and put your rain gear on. But I suppose if I see that there is rain up ahead, I could stop in advance and then just put the suit on and prepare. And the other thing I guess also is, which is a slight concern, is the temperatures. How hot is it gonna be? And I'll be riding through, well, it's gonna take me all through all of North Carolina, of course, all of Tennessee. Then I'll be going up into Illinois, and then crossing over into Missouri, and then up along the west side of Missouri up into Iowa, west side of Iowa, and then I'll be crossing about 3/4 or a little more than half of Nebraska. So I'm going to be, I've been looking at the map, and I've been seeing what I'm up against. I've been doing a lot of street view with Google Maps, and I see that there's going to be some areas where, you know, middle of nowhere just doesn't describe it. Okay, the best way I can describe it is you find the middle of nowhere and then go another 15 miles. And then you're really in the middle of nowhere, you know. I've got all my gas stops figured out, and I just hope that Google Maps isn't deceiving me, and that these gas stations are actually there. Because I am told by numerous people that when you get out that direction, if you see a gas station, stop, because their stops are few and far between. And again, my plan is still to do a video a day. I don't know how long the video is going to be, but there's going to be a plan to do a video a day. I'm going to have Wi-Fi in every place I'm going to be. And will it be good enough for me to upload? I don't know. I'm also going to try to do a little podcast every day as well. It'll just be fun. It's the cops. All right, boys and girls, well, thank you very much for watching, and thanks for sticking with the channel. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please give me a nice big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. Comment down below too. Let me hear from you. I always respond. I always respond. I believe that. You know, if you're gonna take the time to watch my video and comment, I'm gonna take the time to respond to your comments. All right. always respond. So yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll be seeing you soon in the next video, which will be departure day. Yeah, it's gonna be departure day. That's gonna be my next video. See you then. Peace and chicken grease. Peace and chicken grease. Rock and roll.